So I won't be doing that again. Sorry about that. So apparently, answering a phone call ends your live stream, so I won't do that again. Welcome back, though. We got it going. Oh, we hit the 10-minute mark, so I can open this up now. Oh gosh. Please don't explode on me. There we go. Alright. What's this link that you sent me? How do I mute this? There we go. Oh, the Hamburg Germany by drone. 4K. Whoa. Alright. I'll watch that later. Am I back? Can you see me? Very warm steam. Yeah, so that was one of my guests that called. And they're like, do you prefer cookies or brownies? And I'm like, well, you're on stream, so. But I guess he wasn't, because it ended the stream. So that was neat. Oh well. Alright. We're pretty much done here anyways. Like I said, I'm not going to take this out. We're just going to let it sit, stay warm until the actual party starts in like an hour and a half. There we go. Hour and a half. Sprayed water on my cabinet doors. Rude. But it sounds like he's going to show up early anyway, so I would have had a guest here. But, what else? I think that's about it. Like I said, got a guest bringing lemonade. I got 2 guests bringing their kids, so they're going to have some friends to play with, so that's awesome. I think the one guy, he has a 2-month-old and a 1.5-year-old, and then the other one, she has a 1-year-old that she's bringing, so they can all play together. It'll be a good time. And then we're gonna watch a movie as well, so we'll eat and then we'll watch a movie. But all right, that's gonna be it for me though, everybody. Thanks for hanging out. Hopefully, whatever this is going, you guys are watching it. You guys can see it. Sorry about that phone call there, but. I'll remember that for next time when it comes to live streaming on my phone. But hey, thanks for hanging out, everybody. Appreciate it. Hope you had a good one. Tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time, which is 1900 UTC. I think that's what it is, 1900 UTC. I'll be back tomorrow. We're going to be streaming The Legend of Zelda Skyward Sword HD on the Nintendo Switch. So that just came out a few months ago. I played it when it originally came out on the Wii. Pretty fun game. Unfortunately, it's actually my least favorite console Legend of Zelda game, but I still like all of the Legend of Zelda games that came out on console. So it'll be fine. Gonna enjoy that. Until I think that's it though. So yeah, tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central Time or 1900 UTC. Stop by back for that, and we'll have a good time then. So thanks everybody again for hanging out. Hope to see you tomorrow, and until next time, Mythic out. Have a good one, everybody.